In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your own picture as the background theme in Gmail. This is a wonderful way to personalize your email experience, making it not only more visually appealing, but also more in tune with your personal style. So, let's dive right in and transform that plain old Gmail look into something truly your own. First, we will need to navigate to Gmail. Simply open your web browser and go to the Gmail website. Once you're logged in, take note of the settings icon, which can be found at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. This icon resembles a gear. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the gear icon, a menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on this and you will be directed to the main settings page, filled with a wide range of customization options. However, the focus today is on the Themes tab, so we'll want to locate and click that next. Now that we've arrived at the Themes section, it's time to create that personalized touch. You'll see a variety of default themes provided by Google, but we're here to customize. Look for the option labeled My Photos. When you click on this option, you'll be able to choose an image from your Google Photos or upload a new picture that you have stored on your computer. Once you select or upload your desired picture, a preview will show how it appears in the background of your Gmail page. Make sure it's fitting in a manner you like. Gmail offers the option to adjust the vignette, or how dark the corners are, to make your text easier to read against the backdrop. There's also an option to blur the background slightly if the image is too distracting, and an option to add text background so your emails remain legible. After finding the settings that work best for you, click Save to apply your new theme. You should now see your personalized background image every time you check your email. This easy change can make going through emails a bit more enjoyable and add a splash of personality to your digital workspace. Feel free to play with different images and settings to find what looks best to you. It's a simple yet effective way to make your email environment more inviting and reflective of your personal aesthetic. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Go ahead and enjoy your newly personalized Gmail environment. And don't forget, you can update it whenever you feel like a refresh. Enjoy your day.